Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with keyless entry, AM/FM audio system, auto high beam headlamp control, electronic stability control, outside temperature display, steering wheel controls, air conditioning, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, power windows, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.